What's up,
Hi.
YouTube? So today we are gonna be unboxing a sponsored item. So someone sent us a package. So today's an unboxing, a sponsored unboxing. And before that, we need to do some shoutouts. So, boy.
Shout out to Tito B-Boy or Arturo Abellana Jr., Tito Abe or Bernabe Asoy Tero, and Tito Mimon or Raymond Teruel.
So the major sponsor of this video is Mimon or Raymond Tero. So, bro, thank you for the package. So I don't know what's inside the package, but I'm so excited. Ask me why I'm excited.
Because it's a shout out and
It's out free. So it's sponsored. And Mimon told me that magamit na to sa aming mga vlogs. I don't know.
Nice.
What kind of vlogs? Maybe gaming vlogs? Because he likes us to stream, or he suggested for us to stream our Call of Duty or any games that we play. So, you're excited as well?
yes. And,
Show me your excited face.
and also I'm almost next to level 100 in COD.
And by the way, the one that Charles Dren shout outed is my cousins. So the Bernabe Asoy Tero is also a businessman with specialties in woodcrafts. So I'm gonna be adding the link of his Facebook below if you want to, below in the description actually, on the description if you want to try to check him out on his products. Shout out to you, Dudo Abe. So here we go. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. This package main sponsor of this video, bro. Thank you for the package, bro. This one. Okay, so we'll do the unboxing now. I'm so excited. By the way, Tero is my colleague and also kumpare ko yan. Yun yan ni Nathan, yung ngalawang anak ko. The second child, so this is my second boy. Yun siya ng ni Nathan. Sabi kasi niya magagamit daw to. This is not sponsored by J&T. Sila lang nag-review. Okay, so parental advisory, if you're gonna be using knife for kids, always ask your parents for assistance. This is dangerous. So that's why Josh is not here. So I'm gonna be using a knife. No. You have to move. Excited for games. Slowly. Whoa. This is amazing. This is. I think it's smile on my face. This is very amazing. Whoa. It's okay. GNT ano to? Ano din? But anyways, this is what we have. This is the package that we receive, a live sound card. This is very cool. Human said that we can use this on streaming, playing videos, recording videos and stuff for our game. So this is what's inside the box. It's like a console. It has a description. It has a description. This is what's inside the box. It has 3 cords. I don't know what's the use of them for yet. This is just an unboxing. I'm gonna be creating another video for testing this one. This is really cool. I'm looking forward to using this. Let me remove the plastic first. It turns on! So it means it's battery operated. Battery pala to. Look! It turned on! Also, this is portable type. There's a mic volume, reverb. Let's use this. Anyways, let me create a short montage for this. The review or the live views for this sound card will be on the next video. So I have a sound card. All I need now is a condenser, mic condenser, or condenser, microphone on my phone. Let's see. Bigyan naman, may another sponsor. This is really a cool gadget that we can use with Charles on our videos. Thank you so much, Tero. Thank you, bro. So lovely. So here's a short montage on this device. my 48 subscribers. Thank you so much. Slowly but surely. Thank you.
I hope you liked our sponsored video. And like and subscribe if you're new to our channel. This is my baby brother.
If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for support. And also hit the notification bell if ever you like the video. Or if you find us interesting. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! You say bye, Nathan.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Then